Hello everyone. Recently, Birsa 101 gene therapy was launched by India. It is the first indigenous CRISPR gene therapy which is used to fight the sickle cell disease which is mainly affecting the tribal population of India. CRISPR is actually a gene editing system in which RNA would help guide and find the gene required for modification, and the Cas enzyme would cut and modify it with high accuracy. This would be helping India significantly to eliminate sickle cell disease by 2047. This sickle cell disease treatment has cost advantage because the foreign treatments would range from 20 to 25 crores of rupees for treatment. However, Serum Institute would be manufacturing it at a low cost. The second one is the targeted population would be tribal regions and the eastern region of India who are suffering highly from the sickle cell disease. What is a sickle cell disease? Sickle cell disease is actually a genetic disorder. This is caused by abnormal functioning of the HBB gene. HBB gene actually helps in coding the hemoglobin. Normally, a person has the red blood cells in the form of a disc shape so that they can move easily in our blood vessels. However, people suffering with sickle cell disease have the RCBs in the sickle shape or the crescent shape, due to which it is very hard for their movement in blood vessels. India bears world's second largest burden of the sickle cell disease. Do let me know in the comment section which country bears the first. Thank you.